Opposition politician Nelson Chamisa asserts that Zimbabwe requires political transformation rather than mere currency adjustments. In response to the introduction of the new Zimbabwe Gold (G) currency by Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe (RBZ) Governor John Mushayavanu, Chamisa said that the nation requires systematic political reforms rather than focusing solely on currency. He pointed out that currency reforms in the past have been unsuccessful, and he cautioned that the ZiG currency is likely to face challenges due to underlying issues such as broken politics, disputed elections, and contested national processes. Said Chamisa, "A currency is a bundle of trust and confidence. A currency is not a currency without confidence and value. Money represents a collective trust in the stability and reliability of the government. Its value is derived from the amalgamation of this confidence. Instead of introducing a structured currency, we need a conversation that produces a citizens-backed structured political change and new government. A bond note by another name will not fix our challenges. A currency is a bundle of confidence. Confidence is a product of good politics and good leadership. Currency change has failed before, and it surely will fail again. All this is because of broken politics, disputed elections, and contested national processes. In recent years, all these currencies failed because of bad politics. USD, bond note, RTGS, ZW, gold coins, and ZiG. It is given that the new currency will fail again because of bad politics. Currency reforms will not guarantee currency stability, but good politics will lay the foundation for currency stability. Zimbabwe needs a political and democratic leadership change, not a currency change. No amount of currency change will pivot the nation into prosperity and boom. Chamisa asserted that Zimbabweans' trust in the ZANU-PF-led government has eroded, leading to a broader lack of faith in all aspects of the government's functioning. He advocated for a transformation in the country's political landscape and encouraged citizens to seek the face of God as a remedy for Zimbabwe's economic hardships. Said Chamisa,